Good morning guys, I'm back with another recipe. Today we're making my version of banana bread. So our ingredients are as follows. I have 3 ripe bananas. I have 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. These are the raw ones, unsalted. I just roasted them in a pan to achieve this color. So this is 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I also have 1 egg, 1/4 cup melted butter, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 cup of flour, and a mixture of baking powder and baking soda, 1 teaspoon each. There you go guys, so let's start baking. Okay, so we are gonna start by combining our melted butter. So this is 1/4 cup. And then we are gonna combine our brown sugar. That's 1/4 cup as well. And our 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Okay, so we're gonna mix them well until incorporated, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay, so our next step is adding 1 egg and a teaspoon of our pure vanilla extract. Mix again. Now we are gonna add our 3 bananas. Mix well. Next is our 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. And our combination, 1 teaspoon each of baking powder and baking soda. And then we are ready to mix them. Just gonna grab a spatula and just clear the sides. Then we can mix it again. That should be good enough. So next, I added my roasted sunflower seeds, and we're gonna mix it one more time. That should be good enough. So as you can see in here, I have a glass loaf pan. I just greased it with a little butter, and now I am ready to pour in our mixture. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and we are gonna bake this for about 50 to 55 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean once you insert it right in the center. Okay, So I'm just gonna clean everything here. Make sure every bits and pieces comes out. I don't want to waste this lovely batter for banana bread. One more. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put it right about 51 minutes. We'll see you then. Here you go, guys. This is my version of banana bread with roasted sunflower seeds. I hope you give this a try and let me know what you think. Thank you.